Hey guys, today I'm coming to you with my unboxing from PROWOOD fingerboards. So yeah, cut that open. Here's some stuff. Long PROWOOD sticker. Cool. I asked for some sticker and he sent me this. High performance trucks. Let's fold this up. Oh, this is. Wait a second. What? Oh my god, so I don't think they had zebra. They sent me 2 decks, which is super legit. It's got a little burnt mark here of PROWOOD. And I think this is extreme shape. This is classic. Yes. Oh, thank you very much for this. I don't care, it's not zebra. It's super legit. And here's some of my dual bearing wheels. Twin bearing wheels. I think I only ordered one of these, but he gave me 2, so thanks for that as well. Some tuning kits. So I'll just open this stick up. I'll open this first. It's my first time trying out the classic shape. So you can see, the plies are goes right. 100% Canadian maple. Maple birch, and I think this is ebony, I think, yeah. So, you see, as always, nice shiny lacquer, lovely looking deck, pops are great, and this, oh, this deck looks sick, guys. I'm not sure what the bottom ply is. It's got kind of a dotish, surface. Looks really cool. It's the extreme mode. It's got the super legit burnt bark. Thank you, Jim, for this stuff. Yeah, I love it. I'm actually gonna keep this one and hang it on a wall or something because I've never seen this kind of stuff before. This is super legit, guys. Get your PROWOODs now. I mean, they're the best. I'll see my bearing wheels now. So these are the bearing wheels. Whoa. These look super legit. You can see the bearings. It's kind of there. Yeah, and you can see the back. This is kind of backless. Yeah. Thanks for the super legit stuff, Jim. And I'm gonna set this up, and then I'll do a review on it. And also, I got this HP trucks. I almost forgot about because all the other stuff was so awesome. Okay, so it's got tuning kingpins like that, and yeah, you can see that whole thing chrome. Okay, these stuff are super legit. I'll set it up and I'll do a review on it. Thanks, Jim, again. Keep fingerboarding. Get your PROWOODs now. www.prowoodfingerboards.com. Fast shipping, worldwide free. How bad could it be?